Want a spotless, fragrant home that even helps you save money? Don't go anywhere. Imagine pillows that smell fresh, radiators that double as scent diffusers, and showers that feel brand new. Interested? Brace yourself for detailed, game-changing cleaning hacks. You know those throw pillows with non-removable covers? Just toss them into the dryer for 20 minutes. This eliminates dust and bacteria. For that extra oomph, spritz some Febreze or Lenor before you start. Your home will smell like a dream. Ready for a radiator that does more than just heat your home? Start by using a radiator brush or a hoover to remove surface dust from the top and bottom. Then, prepare a bucket of lukewarm water mixed with a capful of fabric softener. Use a jug to carefully pour this mixture down the radiator's middle. Place a towel and a dish underneath to catch the runoff. Your home will smell amazing when you turn the heating back on. Plus, a clean radiator is more energy efficient. How about turning your morning shower into a luxury spa experience? Detach the shower head and let it soak in a mixture of detergent and white vinegar with a dash of lemon for 30 minutes. Use a toothbrush to scrub the nozzles afterwards. Your shower won't just be mold-free, it'll also be more powerful. All set, grab these common household items and get started right now. If these cleaning hacks are blowing your mind, hit that like and follow Kidos Cleaning Services for more. Share your own cleaning tips in the comments below. Your upgraded clean home awaits.